how to change odds to decimal in BetMGM. If you'd like to change odds to decimal in BetMGM, it's very simple. First of all, if I go to the official help section, they have a little explanation on how I can do that. First, you can open the BetMGM app or go to its website and make sure to log into your account. After that, you can change the way they are shown in your settings by selecting Sports, then scroll down to Settings. So select Sports and scroll down to your respective settings, right? So after you've done that, once settings has been selected, the odds format can be changed right from there. So there you'll find whether you want to change from decimal to odds or from odds to decimal or vice versa, and you should be able to follow up with it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change your display in fraction, decimal, or US odds. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.